Hello and welcome back. Let's just address the elephant in the room, these horrifying things. Yes, there was gel on this nail because I can't get it off. I was trying to do my nails natural for a few days and I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't think I can do it. So let's just not pay attention to that. Great. So today I wanted to show you guys my everyday makeup routine. It's super fast, super simple. I realize I'm looking very 90s with this scrunchie and this denim jacket, so don't mind me. But yeah, I'm just gonna zoom you guys in and we're gonna get started with the face. If anybody's wondering, this is the flannel candle. It'll probably be in all my videos because it is the best candle at Bath & Body Works by far. All right, so I'm just going to, ew. Listen, I have a dog, okay? I'm just going to go in with my NYX Tame and Frame pomade. I never do my brows on camera, but you know what? I thought, why not? And I am just going to go in with my e.l.f. eyebrow duo. And I'm just going to do my brows. They're not great. I know, my brows, they're a struggle. They're something I work on. So let's not pay attention to that. And I am going to just fix the outsides of them with a little bit of concealer. I'm using the NYX HD Studio Concealer. They're not great. That's fine. Okay, going into the next thing, I'm going to prime my face. I'm not doing eyeshadow today. I don't usually do eyeshadow on a daily basis if I'm just doing this everyday makeup routine. So we're going to start with the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm, the glue. It looks like a stick of glue, smells like a stick of glue. I did wash and moisturize my face. This is the stinkiest. I honestly wonder if I got a bad one. This is the stinkiest thing. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of the Prep and Prime Natural Radiance base, just Natural Radiance primer from MAC. And then after those two primers, I'm going in with the Pores No More Luminizing Primer from Dr. Brandt. That was like spreading kind of weird. Put that. Okay, so then after that, we are gonna go into our foundation. So for foundation, we're using the Dermacol Makeup Cover Foundation. So this is not the same as my original one I bought because the original ones that I purchased in the past, the shipping wasn't super long. This shipping was way too long, and then I realized that I got it from overseas. So it came from the UK, and I don't know if in that travel time, it like messed up, but this is not the same exact formula. This is where I put it on my face. You do not need a lot. And I'm just gonna go into my Real Techniques blending sponge and I'm just gonna blend that out. So then after that, I'm gonna cream contour. Yes, I do this every day. I don't know if this is for everybody, but I'm just gonna use the Wet n Wild Makeup Contour Stick. I'm gonna use this little brush, and I'm just going to go like this. So this usually takes me about 15 minutes, this makeup routine. So I've gotten it down pretty quick. Okay, and then we're just going to set underneath the eyes. So I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 05 Fair. Not using a lot of pressure. I'm just gonna set it around the nose. Okay, and what is on my lips, I don't know if I said this, Laneige sleeping mask. I use it all the time. I don't just use it for sleeping. So then I'm going to set my contour or my bronzer or whatever you want to call this. And I'm going to be using the trusty, that I use this all the time, I love it, the trusty Laura Geller Baked Balance and Brighten Foundation in medium. This is so good. I am telling you that if you want something that is not drying just to set your contour or your whatever, because you don't want anything too heavy, this is the way to go. So I just take it on a big fluffy brush, kind of dense, and I just set that. And then I will go into my Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer. There's no way that this is a bronzer on anybody. And I'm going to go into a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to tap off my brush. I'm just gonna set lightly. I'm not setting where my highlighter goes. Then we're going into blush, and I'm using the Tropic Hues Baked and Blush and Brighten Baked blah blah blah, bees everywhere.
It's going to.
Woo! It's too much on that side. Too much. Good. We're good. We fixed it, I think. Okay, so then usually I would be setting my face constantly throughout this routine, just because I like a really dewy base. So then we are going to do lashes. So I'm just going to quickly curl my lashes. I'm using the Wonder Wand mascara from Ciate London. Got this in, oopsie.
This incognito. Oh my help. Ah! Dark hair.
Okay, I'm just going to put on glue on my lashes because I do wear lashes quite a bit during the week. I just think they're an easy, super fast way to like make any makeup look a little bit better. Going to do the other eye with mascara. Okay, so my lashes are on. I put lower lash mascara on. I spritzed my face one more time, and now I'm going to highlight the best part. So I'm just using the Sleek Makeup highlighting palette in Solstice. It says avoid contact with eyes. Well, I put this on my inner corner, so hopefully that's okay. And I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones. And this stuff is amazing. I'm mixing all three of the powder shades.
I'm using the Wet n Wild brush, which I got in my, it's like a kit, a holiday kit. Sorry, I can hear my dog.
Woo! Okay, and then I'm going to highlight my inner corners and brow bone. I'm trying to hurry before my camera overheats, and I have to leave to my sister's house. And then I'm going to set my brows using my everyday guy, the Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer by Maybelline. I always do this very last because I like to take the powder and everything that's fallen onto my brows away. And then lastly, we're gonna do lips. And then we will set our face again. So this is my go-to everyday lip. It's my favorite lip. If I can find the products that I need in my makeup bag, because I didn't pull them out before, because why would I do that? Would it make my life easier? Probably. So I'm gonna go in with the Palladio Lip Liner in Cafe, and I'm gonna just line. And then I'm going into the Wet n Wild Nudie Patootie. And then then I'm gonna let that dry. This is the MAC Fix Plus in Coconut. I got 3 of these for $12. Such a steal. Okay, then now that that's drying, you could totally leave it like this, but I love to go in with the Palladio Plump and Shine Lip Gloss, and this is just the clear shade. It's literally called Clear, and we're gonna go over that. Right, and then that. Is it. That is the makeup routine. So that is what my skin looks like. If you can see, that highlight is everything. But yeah, that is my everyday makeup routine. I really hope you like it. Usually it doesn't take me this long, but usually I'm not filming, so I don't have to talk, I just run through it. So anyway, you guys, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If I reach 100 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So tell your friends, share this video, join the Lion Club. I would love that. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a great weekend, or whenever you're watching this. It is Saturday for me, but it is probably won't be going up until Tuesday. So I hope you have a great week. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.